Hello everyone, this is Crystal. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will provide you sample forms and situations. Try to answer them and compare your answers with ours. Once you're done, you can skip to the next number by clicking the video chapters in the video description. During the A1 examination, writing part lasts 20-25 minutes. First, read the text before the form, then fill out the form. Here is an example for Schreiben Teil 1. You should write a short letter or an email about 30 words. Read the text first and write 1 or 2 sentences. Here is an example for Schreiben Teil 2. Here is the answer key. Thank you for watching this video. To support us, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you! Tschüss!